This recharge pause is called Calm and Confident. It builds on the body language research by Dr. Amy Cuddy and others, adding movement science so that the movement feels good in your body. Stand or sit so that you feel like your bones are holding you up and your muscles can relax. Make little micro movements until you sense your body sturdy but relaxed. Notice if your breath is easy or not, and adjust your position so that your breath feels effortless. And then we'll support that by pulling up on the bottom of the pelvis, the muscles on the bottom of your pelvis and around your core just enough so that you're still keeping your body relaxed and your breath easy. Now, very slowly begin to raise your arms, hinging at your shoulder joints. Stop at the position where it feels confident in your body, but also still calm and relaxed. Raising all the way overhead if that feels good. Making sure that your rib cage does not lift with your arms so that your back doesn't overwork. Use your core to keep your back steady. Then make micro movements so that you feel calm and confident all at the same time. It doesn't matter what this looks like. It matters what it feels like. Take a moment to just let your mind observe your body, calm and confident, sturdy and relaxed.